Starting a side hustle while in college offers a promising path to financial independence and practical experience. To maximize this opportunity, students should exploit the array of resources available through their institutions. Business centers provide essential tools for budding entrepreneurs, from business plan development to legal advice. Libraries offer vast information resources, helping to research market trends and industry insights. Additionally, mentorship programs connect students with experienced professionals who guide and refine their business strategies. Each of these resources plays a pivotal role in developing a robust foundation for any student's entrepreneurial endeavors. Leveraging academic support is crucial for students looking to evolve their business ideas into viable ventures. Academic advisors and faculty are invaluable resources, providing insights that help refine business strategies and navigate industry challenges. Their expertise can transform a raw concept into a market-ready plan. Furthermore, entrepreneurial classes and workshops offer hands-on learning experiences, from business planning to financial management. These educational opportunities equip students with essential entrepreneurial skills such as critical thinking, problem-solving, and effective communication, which are indispensable in the ever-evolving business world. Technology and dedicated workspaces are pivotal assets in cultivating a successful side hustle. Colleges often provide high-speed internet, which facilitates seamless research, communication, and digital marketing efforts for student entrepreneurs. Additionally, specialized software available in college computer labs supports diverse aspects of business management, from financial planning tools to graphic design applications, enabling students to maintain professional standards without incurring high costs. Libraries and business labs offer quiet, organized environments ideal for focused work, planning sessions, and collaborative projects, thus turning academic settings into incubators for emerging business ideas. Networking is a cornerstone of entrepreneurial success, and colleges provide ample opportunities to forge valuable connections. Networking events bring together like-minded individuals, potential partners, and industry professionals, offering a platform to share ideas and forge collaborations. Clubs and organizations related to business and entrepreneurship serve as a microcosm for the larger business community, allowing students to practice networking skills in a less formal, more accessible environment. Speaker sessions and guest lectures can be particularly invaluable, giving insight into industry trends and providing direct access to successful entrepreneurs and potential mentors. Securing financial support is essential for initiating and scaling side hustles. Colleges often offer exclusive grants, which are financial awards that do not require repayment, providing a significant boost without the burden of debt. Entrepreneurial competitions hosted by universities present another lucrative opportunity. They not only provide funding upon winning, but also valuable feedback and public exposure. Sponsorships from business departments or local enterprises can offer both funding and critical resources like products or services. These financial supports alleviate capital constraints, allowing student entrepreneurs to focus on innovation and growth.